Alright, Chamber Orchestra, this is just a quick video on how to read flat key signatures. Alright, so if you guys remember before, you learned how to do sharp key signatures. Now it's time for the flats. With the sharps, the trick was you went to the last sharp and you went up a note. Now for flats, it's a little bit different. Flats, you need to find the second to last flat, and that is your scale. Now, already on this first example, you can tell there's only one flat. So how do you figure that out? The second to last flat, and there's only one flat. Well, this is another one you have to memorize. You remember, if there were no flats or sharps, and it was clear of flats and sharps, we called that a C, right? Clear of sharps or flats. For this one, if there's only one flat, it's an F for flat. One flat. So we know that this is F. Now for the rest of them, you can use the trick or the general rule here, which is it's the second to last flat. So if you notice here on this treble clef, this would be the last flat. We go back one. This is the second to last flat. So I'll do a couple examples with the treble clef, a couple with the alto, and a couple with the bass. So feel free to fast forward or end the video when you're fine with that. So here is treble clef. Like I said, the second to last flat is here. It's centered on the B line. Every good boy does fine. So it's a B flat. Ba-dum. Okay. Then we've got this one. So you see all these flats. This is the last flat. We're going to go back one. It's this one right here. This is a G flat because it's on the G line. G flat. Okay. This is the last flat here. So we're going to go back one. So this is a C flat. It's on the C line. Okay, and then the last one, you guys remember, of course, if it is only have, if it only has one flat, it's F for flat. All right, I'm going to move over to alto clef to help the violas out. So violas, once again, it is the second to last flat. So here's the last flat. This is the second to last flat. This is on the C line. So it is a C flat. All right, over here we have one flat. So we just call that an F because there's only one. One flat is F. All right, and then here we have second to last flat being here because here's the first flat. Sorry, the last flat's here. Here's the second to last flat. Pew, pew, pew. This is on the A line. It's A flat. We'll do one more example. This is the last flat. This is the second to last flat. So this is an E flat because it's on the E line. All right, I'm going to move over to the bass clef. So basses and cellos, bass and cellos, or celli as they say, we've got the last flat here. The second to last flat is here. This is on the C space. So this is a C flat. Second to last flat is here. This is a B flat. It's on the B line. Okay, we've got a flat here. That's the last one, but we want to do the second to last, which is the E line. So it's E flat. And here's a last example. We've got the last flat here. Second to last flat here. It's on the B line. It's a B flat. All right, so when you guys are done with that, go ahead and remember to show your progress report. Put your name in there and get me your code. You're going to put that right here where it says turn in your code here. All right, and I will check in with you guys on Thursday.